Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amy and I create travel content for a living while traveling pretty much full time. Today I am at my favorite beach in Wales, Three Cliffs, and I wanted to talk a little bit about living a non-conventional life. If you're new to this channel, you might not know much about me, but I've been traveling for 3.5 years and I've been to over 50 countries. In that time, I have had many ups and many downs, and I feel like I got into this lifestyle, like very non-conventional lifestyle, just because I wanted to explore the world and travel. And I just kept going, to be honest. I didn't really want to stop as soon as I started, and that's where I am today. I just feel like there's so many pressures right now for people in their 20s to get a house, have a 9 to 5, and just like work until you're retired. I mean, people of all ages in general, but I really felt that in my 20s, and I didn't really understand why we're all following the same exact script, especially when it doesn't serve a lot of us. So I have gone down a completely different path, and now more and more people are quitting their jobs, working remotely, creating content. So I'm not the only one, but I have found it hard to connect with other people and meet people along this journey because there aren't that many people doing what I do. So, and because I'm moving from place to place, that can be a little bit difficult. And to be honest, this lifestyle is not always exactly how it looks on social media. It's not always the freedom that you're looking for, and it's not going to be the right fit for everyone. I feel like there are a lot of downsides that people don't really want to talk about. One being that it can be lonely because you don't ever have coworkers or people to connect with. That has been probably the hardest for me. And having to move all the time does get really exhausting and can wear you down. So I don't really know how long I'll be doing this for. I love it at the moment, but I would love to have a base at some point as well. If you're watching this, you might be wondering if taking a non-traditional or unconventional path is right for you. And I feel like you can only know that yourself if you're being pulled in a certain direction. I was being pulled to travel and explore the world and see more than just my province, Ontario. I really just wanted to see a lot more, and I knew there was so much out there. And I simply just could not stay in a 9 to 5 to make that happen. I knew I needed to get paid from my travels somehow. I just didn't even know how that would come together. It wasn't until probably 2020 or 2021 that I had the idea I can make money from content. And it has not been an easy ride. There have been lots of things that have gone wrong along the way. And as you can see, this YouTube channel is still really small, but I'm hoping to grow it in the next couple months. But I've been thinking a lot today while I've been at this beach and exploring and getting content, whether or not it's something I want to keep doing. I kind of keep toying with the idea of like, do I want to go back to a job, or should I find a contract job for 6 months to 12 months just to like have a little bit more stability, because that's one downside for sure. And I think it's really hard to say whether or not I am going to end up doing that. At the moment, I still want to give YouTube like a fair shot, but it's becoming harder and harder to get brand deals on Instagram at the moment, probably because there's a recession going on. A lot of other creators have had similar problems that I've had, and I've talked to quite a few people at this point. So not that I'm going to be giving up, but it's definitely things I think about. I guess all I'm saying is if you really want to quit your job and give content a real chance, you should definitely go for it, because there's nothing really that can go completely wrong. Worst case scenario, you go back to your job or find a new job. It's not the end of the world. I feel like if you feel like it's the right path for you, or even just in general, leaving a 9 to 5 and doing something completely different, why not? Life is so short. You might as well chase your dreams and go after everything you want to go after instead of just hoping it will fall into place. You have to actually take action. One of my favorite parts about my lifestyle and job is that I can just come to a beach and sit down and talk to the camera and explore and spend most of the day swimming, hanging out, doing what I want to do, and get paid still earn some money to support myself. You definitely have to go and put some effort in. I did a whole video about like tough love if you're getting into content creation or want to be a travel influencer or influencer in general. But with that said, I still I still love this lifestyle because I have so much freedom to do what I want to do day to day, and I don't know how it would be to go back to having a manager or a boss. So I guess all I'm saying is the traditional path isn't worse or better than my lifestyle right now. I feel like it's just completely different, and you might want to try out the 9 to 5. You might want to try out working for yourself. You can always switch between the two. Like, you're not, dedicated to one thing for the rest of your life. You don't have to be. I feel like if you are wanting a change and you want to do something different, like, go for it. Especially if you live in the UK or the US, get on TikTok, get on the TikTok Creator Fund, start making money from your content. It's the easiest place to get money from your content. I don't get that because I'm Canadian. So I'm here on YouTube trying to make it work with getting some ad money. If you do watch my ads and watch the videos all the way through, thank you so much. Like, you have no idea how much that helps out my channel. And while we're here and while I'm saying all this, if you could subscribe, it will help me out tremendously. Like this video, leave a comment, tell me what you think. It really helps this channel out and will help me grow and earn money from this content in the next couple of months and see where I can take it. So yeah, I am now in my 30s. I just turned 30 a month ago, really. And I'm just starting to think whether or not I want to continue down this path. And I think that's only something future me will be able to say. Maybe in 6 months, I will want a full-time job. Maybe 6 months from now, I will be like, hell no, I am staying and doing what I love doing. So much can change month to month, especially when you're doing content. Like, you're making a lot of money one month, you're making none the next. So you have to give it a fair shot. I do think there are more pros that outweigh the cons, at least for me right now, which is why I'm still doing content. But I'm definitely picking up different forms of income and broadening the ways that I make money and having different channels to do that, because it's super important to diversify your income. Thank you for listening to me rant about my unconventional lifestyle. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys next week for another video. Well, 2 videos, and I hope you're having a good one. Bye.